nice street rod. Just came in and is available to purchase. 1934 Ford two-door sedan. As you can see, very nice paint on this car. Beautiful burgundy color. Chrome spoke wheels. Powered by a Chevrolet 350 underneath the hood. That is teamed with a 350 turbo automatic. Come up on the fenders here. You can see some little chips and stuff that have been touched up on those front fenders. It is a steel body car. Hood, cowl, body, but it is glass fenders. So you're aware of that. Nice driving car. Very tight. Well put together. You can see how nice the doors fit on this one. I'm going to show you a little something on this too that's pretty cool. The windows on these have it set up so it's got the vent, and also how nicely they'll crank up and down on this car. Very well made, put together. Door card's nice shape. Cloth interior, nice shape. Listen to this door close. You don't hear doors like this close anymore on cars, and how nice and tight it is. Very cool 34 Ford. If you like taking friends or family to cruising or roll-ins with you, plenty of room in the back of this. That back seat is plenty of leg room. Be a nice comfortable ride. If you'd like to check out the underside pics, this car is nice on the underside, underneath the hood, interior. Check out those pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call if you'd like to know about transportation, inquire about this vehicle, if you got any other questions. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Slip around to the driver's side. We'll start it up so you can hear it run and everything. But again, look at how nice those doors fit. Nice the paint is on this car. And they didn't weld in that top roof panel. Kept it true to how it would have been in 34. Nice vinyl up there. Finished off very nicely. I have to grab the keys off the counter. Took them out. There is the headliner. Very nice shape. You can see that rear seat. Front seats fold forward. So you got plenty of room as far as getting in and out. Be nice taking friends or family with, obviously. Aftermarket gauges, some Stewart Warner gauges up top, and then oil pressure, temperature, fuel, all those are down below. This car is equipped with AC, by the way. Let me grab the keys. Got them on the counter. This front window does still crank out too from the crank on the inside. Check out the hood ornament on these two. You cannot beat that hood ornament. The old Greyhound on the front of those and the chrome. Bright working stuff is obviously very, very nice on it. Grab the keys. Let's go around and start this up so you can hear it start. Very smooth running, nice running car. So I get the right key. Trying to do it one-handed here. Not working so well for me. All right, here we go. And we're in park. That's not pumping it or anything. That's just turning it over. Little aftermarket stereo. There's your AC controls, AC vents. And listen to this car purr. Very nice running 350 underneath the hood there. Again, the glass on this side also nice shape. You also have the up and down, goes up and down very nicely. And that vent. I just think that's a cool option. So nicely that door closes. Nice and solid too. Again, all steel car, glass fender. 350 with a turbo 350 automatic transmission equipped with AC. Not smoking, anything like that. Just a nice running, driving street rod. Once again, check out the still pictures. You can see the underside, how nice it's finished off, interior, engine bay. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, feel free to give us a call. Love to talk to you about this beauty. 507-386-1726. 1726.